So, are you ready? Let's start with the
Yes,
lesson.
I'm
Are
trying. Yeah.
Okay. So I can see here you chose pronunciation beginner 24, my favorite
Yes.
day Christmas. Oh, it's also my favorite day.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
yeah. Let's first have a review, okay, of the lesson.
Okay.
All right, so
Mhm.
please read the paragraph with emotions. Are you ready?
Mhm.
It's a snow
Uh,
day.
it's a
Mhm,
it's a snow day. It was a winter day. It was very cold outside.
mhm,
It snowed a lot. It covered all the ground.
mhm,
It snowed for 6 hours. Finally, it stopped.
mhm.
He put on his heavy
Jacket.
jacket. He went outside.
Hmm.
He built two snowmen.
Okay.
One was a fast snowman, the other was a tall snowman. He went back inside.
All right. Okay. So now let's move to the main lesson. Okay. So first
Okay,
challenge is read the paragraph. Okay. Are you
okay,
ready? So my
yeah.
favorite day Christmas. Please read.
My favorite, my favorite, favorite day, Christmas. Christmas is on December the 25th. It's my favorite time of year.
Mhm.
We decorate our Christmas tree with bubbles,
Bubbles. Yes,
bubbles,
bubbles.
bubbles,
Mhm.
uh, tinsel,
Tinsel. Yeah.
tinsel and lights.
Hmm.
We we put our presents under the tree.
Hmm.
We send Christmas cards and sing Christmas carols
Carols.
at
Yes.
church. At church.
Hmm.
Children wait for Santa Claus to bring them presents.
Present. All right. Okay. Now let's try to practice pronunciation here. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Mhm.
So let's start with the first one. For words and expression, we have favorite. One
Favorite.
more time. Favorite.
Favorite.
Okay. This one is decorate.
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 Okay. And this one is bubbles.
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 And this one, oh, bubbles. And this one is tinsel.
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 Okay, and this next is carols.
Gallows.
Carols.
Gallows.
Okay, and we have church.
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 Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
All right. And also, let me see if there are others. All right. I think everything we have practiced on here. Do you have any questions so far with this paragraph?
None so far.
All right. So now let's have the second challenge. So you are going to read each sentence twice. Okay, so
Okay.
we will listen to an example audio of each sentence and then
Okay.
practice them one by one. We'll check the
Mhm.
pronunciation, accent, intonation, and
Yeah.
linking sounds. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's have the first sentence. Please listen carefully. It
Yeah.
starts now.
My favorite day, Christmas.
Mhm.
My favorite day, Christmas.
Okay, very good. One more time.
My favorite day, Christmas.
Mhm.
Favorite day,
All
Christmas.
right.
So far.
Challenge. Okay, now let's go to the third challenge. So here we will listen to the whole paragraph and then you are also going to read the whole paragraph. Then we will study about the linking sounds. Okay? All right, so let's start. Here we go.
Mhm.
My favorite day, Christmas. Christmas is on December the 25th. It's my favorite time of year. We decorate our Christmas tree with baubles, tinsel, and lights. We put our presents under the tree. We send Christmas cards and sing Christmas carols at church. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring them presents.
All right, so it's your turn now. Are you ready? Okay, in three, two, one,
Yeah.
please read.
My favorite day, Christmas. Christmas is on December the 25th. It's my favorite time of year.
Mhm,
We decorate our Christmas tree with bubbles, tinsel, and lights.
mhm,
We put our presents under the tree.
mhm.
We send Christmas cards and sing Christmas carols at church.
Church. Mhm.
Children wait for Santa Claus to bring them presents.
All right. Okay. Decorate.
Decorate.
One more time. Decorate.
Dec-
All right. So we decorate our Christmas tree with bubbles, tinsel,
we,
and
dec-
lights. Mhm.
we decorate our Christmas tree with bubbles,
Bubbles.
tinsel, and lights.
That's right. Okay. Now we will study linking sounds. Okay. All right. So let's start with Christmas is on becomes Christmas season.
Christmas is on.
Christmas season.
Christmas is on.
Okay, so let's have the first sentence. Christmas is on December the 25th.
Christmas is on December the 25th.
Okay, one more time. Christmas is on December the 25th.
Christmas is on December the 25th.
Okay, time of becomes time of.
Time of.
Time of.
Time of.
All right, let's have the sample. It's my favorite time of year.
It's my favorite time of year.
Okay, one more time. It's my favorite time of year.
It's my favorite time of year.
All right, time of.
Time of.
All right, so are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so please start.
My favorite day, Christmas. Christmas is on December the 25th. It's my favorite time of year. We decorate our Christmas tree with bubbles, tinsel, and lights. We put our presents under the tree. We send Christmas cards and sing Christmas carols at church. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring them presents.
Whoa, wow, very fast. 26. Okay. Just one more time, okay? You can do it now,
Yeah.
the final goal, okay? Are you ready? Okay, all right, so in three, two,
Yeah.
one, go.
My favorite day, Christmas. Christmas is on December the 25th. It's my favorite time of year. We decorate our Christmas.
One more
Sorry,
time, one more time. Okay, try
one more.
again. In three, two, one, please go. All right, please, one more. Okay,
Mhm.
all right, are you ready? Okay, so in
Okay.
three, two, one, start.
Mhm. My favorite day, Christmas. Christmas is on December the 25th. It's my favorite time of year.
Mm-hmm,
We decorate our Christmas tree with bubbles, tinsel, and lights.
mm-hmm.
We put our presents under the tree. We send Christmas cards and sing Christmas carols at church. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring them.
It's okay,
Ah,
it's
yes.
okay. It's okay. Actually, you're able to get the 26 seconds. It means you can do that, the 25 or less, just if you will not stop, right? It's okay. All right, so let's move to overlapping, okay?
Okay.
All right, so you're going to overlap with the audio in three, two, one, go.
My favorite day, Christmas. Christmas is on December the 25th. It's my favorite
Yes.
time of year. We decorate our
Yes.
Christmas tree with baubles, tinsel, and lights.
Yes.
We put our presents
Yes.
under the tree. We send Christmas cards and
We
sing Christmas carols at church. Children wait for Santa Claus to bring them presents.
All right,
presents.
okay. How does it feel? Is it just the same? Easier this time to overlap? Okay, that's great. All right, so now please read with emotions, okay? Please read this with emotion, apply the linking sounds, apply the right intonation and the right pause, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so in three, two, one, please read.
My favorite today, Christmas.
Mhm,
Christmas is on December the 25th. It's my favorite time of year. It's my favorite time of year.
mhm,
We decorate our Christmas tree with bubbles, tinsel, and lights.
mhm.
We put our presents under. Uh, we
Under
put our we put our presents
presence.
under the tree.
Mhm,
We send Christmas cards and sing Christmas carols at church.
mhm.
Children wait for Santa Claus to bring them presents.
Bring them presents. Okay. Yes. So just don't forget again, decorate, and then
Decorate
yes, decorate, and then the Christmas cards and carols at. Okay, don't forget carols at, and
that,
yep, carols at church, carols at church. All right.
carols at
Yes.
church.
Yes, time of, very good. Time of year, very good.
Decorate,
Fa
decorate,
decorate, yes,
decorate.
decorate, yes,
See you
decorate. All right, see you again later. Okay, thank you.